guys, welcome back to the channel. I trust you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to make watermelon smoothie. Smoothie. Watermelon can be combined with varieties of fruits such as oranges, bananas, strawberry, blueberries, tropical fruits, mango, pineapple, and lots of health benefits gotten from the intake of smoothie, such that it helps our brain to function, it aids in healthy digestion, it boosts our immune system, it increases our energy level, and healthfully losing weight. It increases our intake in vitamin, is very low in calories, and as such can serve as a replacement for carbonated drinks. Before I proceed, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, comment, like, turn on your notification bell so as to get notified once I upload a new video. Smoothie preparation today, I'm making use of 3 fruits: watermelon, orange, and banana. These are the fruits ready for blending. I had to prepare them this way so as to be able to take out the seeds from the watermelon and the orange. Let's get started.